Ni wagagu uria wanjiririe gutamba kiama-ini kia ODM thutha wa amwe ya mbunge kiama-ini giki hamwe na kiama kia Jubilee gucemania na President William Ruto thingira-ini wa iregi na muoroto wa kwaririria kioneki gia gukuria icigo na kaunti iria marugamirire. Mbunge mutumia kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Esther Passaris ariwe waishe kuingirio ithabu-ini riri wena mumbunge wa Game Elisha Odhiambo, mumbunge wa Uriri Mark Nyamita hamwe na mumbunge wa Suba South Carol Omondi ario muthi megwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya urungiruru wa mitugo kiama-ini kia ODM.
This constitution and Article 3 is supreme to any regulations of the party within the subsequent matter that we discussed.
Wakiri Nelson Havi niwe uma urugamirire Atongoria aya gikaru-ini giki itua riria rionekanire kuraraka muikarĩri wa kamiti ino Ben Sihanya uria ugire kuringana na watho wa kiama wakiri cira-ini toyo afatie gukorwo ari mumemba kiama-ini kia ODM.
Next friend, relevant representatives will be persons who are affiliated to those respective political parties or political formations, because as Article section, if you read section 14A.
Number 21, representation of parties. It talks about in all proceedings under these rules, and or interested party may be represented by an advocate of his or her choice.
We are not here for a political rally or a party meeting. We are here in our capacity as advocates to represent Makinyita.
Oho kamiti ino no yongereirie mutaratara uria wagiriire ndwarumirirwo hindi ya kwamura Havi ta wakiri wao. Kamiti ino igitianirie itemi riake gikaru-ini giki.
Rules do not preclude us from appearing on account of want of a written notice of appointment of advocates. If that was the intention of the draft of the rules, nothing would have been easier than for it to be so presented.
Senator wa Migori Eddie Okech niwe watemanirie riendekithia ria kuhagura Atongoria ya na muthingi wa kwagarara gicunji kia 14 kia watho wa ciama cia kiuteti weheani wao kwiri kiama kia ODM ugikirirwo cuke.
That it has to be done with a member. If you're being represented, it has to be a member of ODM or otherwise affiliated by the party. These are simple matters. If you haven't read the constitution of the ODM, that means that you're not a member, even yourself, you're not a member of ODM.
So the ruling they have done, they have said that I need to proceed and appoint an advocate who is an ODM member. I don't know which part of the constitution speaks to that your advocate must be a member of the party.
Esther Passaris, Elisha Odhiambo na Carol Omondi mathire mugaru na wedi wa kiama thutha wa guthukira urite watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 king'ang'a-ini. Muthenya wa rucio Senator wa Kisumu Tom Ojienda, mumbunge wa Bondo Gideon Ochanda, mumbunge wa Rongo Paul Abor hamwe na mumbunge wa Langata Felix Odwor nio matanyitwo gugikinyia mbere ya kamiti ino. Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.